show you how to install Docker. Docker is an isolated virtual environment where you can run different services independently, and then you you can run application including dependencies, libraries, and code, and it packs all the required components. Then it is important that you can pack each of service in a container such as Docker, and then it can be run independently, and it is useful for doing maintenance of our code, and we can repair our code independently. So first of all, it is necessary to go to the website of Docker. You can go to the website and download the software. You can do it also by terminal using Brew, or you can download from internet. So, for instance, you can go to your web browser and search for the Docker website, which is www.docker.com. Then, for instance, I'm gonna search for the website, and I will get into Get Started and download the Docker software. So you can search for your operative system. It can be Docker for Windows or for macOS or Linux. And now I'm going to download the software for macOS, which is the operative system that I have here in my computer. So we can go to Get Started and download the Docker desktop. You can search for your operative system, such as Windows, in case that you are using Windows, or Linux. In my case, I'm using macOS. So I will use for Intel because is the you can see it is downloading the Docker software. And once you have downloaded the software, so you need to download the required operative system. Once you have downloaded the Docker software, you need to install it and search for our operative system and install. Or here is downloading. We can see the download progress. So once it is installed, we can search for some Docker images that are open for the community, and we can search for some of them. For instance, we can go to general software, to general containers, and we search for example, Docker images. So I'm looking for an image, and there are plenty of images. So here we get to the official images, taking some time. However, you can see that I have already downloaded. So we can go for our installing installing file and install Docker. You can sign up with your account, with your personal or your company email, or if you have already an account into Docker, you can sign in with your account. So here I have already searched for an image. I can open my terminal after I install Docker. Here you can see that I have already installed the software. So then I can cancel it because I have already installed it. Okay. Here in Docker official images, you can find different official images, and you can search, for instance, for one of them, hello world, and you can copy and open that terminal. So we will pull the image hello world. So here we are pulling the Docker image. We see here I have already installed it, and then we can see different software that I have also installed into my Docker. So in the terminal I have pulled hello world, and we can see it here. This is an image, and we can run it here. However, mine was already pulled, and we can start. Okay, so in addition, if we want to see, as we talked before, so these are the images, and we can search for open images, and this is how can we install Docker. In addition, if we want to use Grafana, we can do the same in our terminal and pull the image grafana. So, okay, the image is up to date for grafana, and I will see my Docker container, the number of the containers that I have. Here we see the container for grafana, and it must be also the one for hello world. So I will show you how you can install Docker using only your terminal. So since I have it installed already, I just will show you. You need to type docker blue cask install docker. Okay, I have it already, so we can see our Docker, and here we see hello world,